Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily transform your cabinet on the outside or even on the inside from nasty looking like this to looking like refinished and brand new like this. Now, if you want to check out the product that I use in this video, just check out the links I provided down in the description below. These come in various sizes and different textures and as well as different design patterns, but this is actually a wood grain peel and stick film made for cabinets, shelves, drawers, and many other surfaces as well. If you know someone that could use this do-it-yourself tutorial on how to refinish a cabinet surface, then definitely share this video with them. But this is just going to be a quick little video of the before and after transformation of the things that I used to get the job done, as well as little tips and techniques that I used. So this is what the cabinet looks like before I did the vinyl wrap. So all you need for this project is some scissors, a black pen, measuring tape, and a plastic card. And the plastic card is what you really need because you're going to use this little tool to squeeze out all the bubbles and smooth out the vinyl onto the surface. You can also use a small utility knife to cut away any excess vinyl paper you might have building up around the corners. So the actual wrap that I used was a 26 by 78 inch roll, and it only cost about $15. Again, I provide a link down in the description below. But the main thing you want to do is to prep the surface, so you want to make sure you either sand it down if there's any bumps, and then you want to clean it off so it's nice and dust free and smooth. This decorative vinyl film is amazing. It is water resistant and more durable than most traditional contact paper. It also has some trimming guiding lines on the back, so all you have to do is mark the pen based on your measurements, and then you can use some scissors and cut it. Best of all, the vinyl film is fully removable and won't leave any kind of residue behind. So my very first tip for you when you're working with this vinyl contact paper is to measure the length and width with some measuring tape, and you can either measure it exactly if you're that good to where you can get this thing perfectly in there, which I had a hard time doing that. So I would just recommend measuring different points of length and width and then cutting it a little bit longer than what you need, because you can always trim off the excess. You don't ever want to come up short. Next, you can just go ahead and place the cut piece and dry fit it and see how it fits within the area. You can choose to either peel off the adhesive and lay it down and then cut the excess afterwards, or you can actually just go ahead and trim it before you actually apply it onto the surface. Now for the fun part, applying this vinyl sticker to the surface. So my main tip for you that works for any kind of surface and any kind of small to large area is to not take off the whole vinyl plastic backing. You just want to peel off about an inch or so, just enough to where you can work with it and you can actually just stick it into the corner and it'll hold in place. And this is going to help you to square off everything. Once you do that, then you can just use a little card and just squeegee out all the little bubbles and smooth out the surface, and then you can just reach down from underneath the vinyl sticker and start to slowly peel back the white part of the backing. And you just keep peeling back as much as you feel comfortable to work with until the whole thing is done. The key to awesome results with this vinyl paper is just to slowly work with it and don't rush it, and you'll be surprised how nice the finish will come out. Alright, so after about an hour, I was able to finish everything including the bottom part there, and I utilized the same technique as I did with the smaller drawers down there in the bottom. But this is what it looks like. Way better than before, as you can see. And then this side here looks really good. Let's close these drawers really quick so we can look at the bottom here. So this is what the inside looks like on that side, and then this side here. You can see how pretty that looks. It looks almost like the original finish that was there before. And then the surface, if you get up close, this is what it looks like. It almost has like this real wood grain appearance to it. Again, if you want to check out this type of vinyl decorative sticker or vinyl paper, check out the links down in the description below. You'll be able to find a variety for the best price, and I highly recommend this stuff because it's a really cheap alternative to having to replace the whole bottom floor and resurface it. So this was a big part of a project that I had to make this bathroom look decent, because I'll show you a quick little clip real quick of how crazy this bathroom looked like before, but I did a serious renovation in here, and this really helped to give it some nice finishing touches. Well, here's that before clip I promised you of what my bathroom looked like before. Just try and keep in mind what the colors look like and how the floor looks. That was the two major things that changed in this bathroom, along with the ceiling crown molding, the cabinet over the toilet, and also the light fixture. So here's what it looks like with the bathroom all done. So the very first thing you're going to notice is the Lifeproof brown vinyl flooring, the two-tone brown and beige wall paint, and the over the toilet cabinet. And I also painted the cabinets white, upgraded the light fixture, installed some side molding and ceiling crown molding, and I also framed in the mirror in a nice white decorative casing. Well, that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, definitely share this video with someone that can use it. And if you have any questions for me, feel free to leave those in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. But if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you for watching.